And it's a day when sisters worship their brothers. Now, we have a similar day that's worshipped here by tradition that's called Raksha Bandhan. For us, it's Balaram's appearance day. Now, here in the very early days, one devotee, I won't mention any names because I don't want to embarrass them, she thought, she saw, we do this happens sometimes when we come to Vrindavan in the very, we come to Vrindavan, we see the Brijbasis doing so many things that Prabhupada didn't teach us. So she saw everyone was, putting the Rakhi on their brothers and on their friends and things like that. So she brought a Rakhi and put it on the temple president. And, and Prabhupada was here at that time. And he completely smashed it. He said, no, this has nothing to do with the Vaishnav tradition. So sometimes Prabhupada would take his morning walks here. One time he went to a beautiful place here. It's called the Rangaji Bagicha. You can all go there. It's a beautiful park for the Rangaji temple, for Rangaji and his consort to enjoy there. So Prabhupada was taking a morning walk there, and one devotee said to Prabhupada, Prabhupada, devotees are doing things differently that you never taught us now. They take old Brahmin threads and wrap it around their wrist, and after they do Abhishek, they tear up the cloth and wrap that around their wrist, and they're wearing all these fancy neck beads now. Is this right? Is this okay to do, Prabhupada? And he told another proverb in English. It's, crows eat stool, but young crows eat more stool. So the old crows, that's us, we know you're supposed to wear 3 and not wear all these things all over the place because we never saw Prabhupada do it. We've learned that already. You just keep it simple, and then you don't have to imitate what you see all over Braj. But the young crows, they eat more stool. And that means, hey, that looks really cool. All right, I'm going to get a tattoo. And Prabhupada told us to wear the, Trinadapi Sunil. I'm going to get a tattoo of Trinadapi around my neck so I can, so this is the young crows eating more stool. We never saw Prabhupada do these things. He kept it so simple. And when you keep it simple, then you can use all your energy to serve your spiritual master and the Supreme Lord. So we have to be very careful not to blindly follow, because there's so many different rituals going on here in Braj. It's not what Prabhupada taught us. He gave us particular festivals to observe, and and where did he learn this? From his spiritual master. His spiritual master, in order to keep all of the Matvasis active all the time, he would constantly have festivals. And when one festival was over, they'd be preparing for the next festival. And that's exactly the way our life is in temple life. One festival's over, we have a half a day to recover, and then next festival, we got to prepare, we got to collect, we got to do this. So our whole life is full of festivals, especially here in Vrindavan. So we have to mold our life like that, according to Prabhupada's instructions, and not be new crows. And if we have questions that are not fully answered in the Srimad Bhagavatam as translated by Prabhupada and his disciples, now, by the mercy of our senior God brothers, we have the books of the 6 Goswamis where we can get more information. And that way we can become more enlivened when we're engaging in these different festivals and services. So there's no harm in reading Gopal Champo. It's right here. It's in the library. And you can read the beautiful descriptions of this Govardhan Puja and this Govardhan Leela.